Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to import browser data from Google Chrome to Opera GX. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that I need to do is to click the download now option and just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, importing data from Google Chrome to Opera GX allows for a smooth transition between browsers, ensuring that bookmarks, passwords, and browsing history are readily available without manual import. Now, by importing data, users can maintain a consistent browsing experience across different browsers, accessing their favorite websites and login credentials in Opera GX. Now, make sure you are using the correct account here in Google Chrome, especially if you're using multiple accounts, all right? After that, you need to switch over to your Opera, and then simply we're going to import data. That would save time by automatically transferring existing bookmarks and passwords from Chrome to Opera GX, eliminating the need for manual setup or data re-entry. I need you to go to the left side panel of your dashboard and click on settings. And what will happen is you just hover down below where you can see the import data option. I need you to be patient. There you go. You see, you can synchronize browsing data with Opera GX if you just sign in. It's a very easy and a straightforward process. Now, when you click on the import bookmarks and setting, click the arrow here. You can have an option if you're using other browsers such as Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, Microsoft Internet Explorer, Opera 15 Plus, and Bookmarks HTML file. If you're using the Chrome, you can select items to import such as browsing history, favorites, bookmarks, saved passwords, and cookies. Now, the thing is, when maintaining familiar data, importing to Opera GX allows users to explore new features specific to this browser. That means, in terms of the gaming integrations, sidebar tools, and GX control features, it is available across various platforms such as Windows, Mac OS, Linux, making it easier to access imported data on different devices while maintaining synchronization. Opera GX offers built-in privacy and security features such as tracking protection and a free built-in VPN. Importing data allows users to benefit from these additional security measures, and from there, you would be able to seamlessly transition to Opera GX while preserving their browsing history, bookmarks, and passwords. Just click on import and that's it. Alright? Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.